This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Morrow. An open concept floor plan is what you'll find with this single-story corner condo in Section 3 of High Point, plus the lowest monthly condo fees. Updated with large plank-style glossy ceramic tile flooring throughout. Updated kitchen with quartz counters and amp, waterfall feature, some upper cabinets with glass inserts, high-end stainless steel appliances, including front-loader Samsung washer/dryer. The extended kitchen had 2 walls removed to provide this open concept, electric panel moved to wall next to laundry closet. Mirrored closet doors, updated AIDA toilets in both baths, water heater replaced in 2020. New double pane windows throughout with accordion shutters for storm protection. Florida room has new slider-type windows west/the eastern windows tinted plus panel shutters for FL room. See more. Open patio with an extension allowing more space for grilling or sunning. Sellers have installed R30 installation in attic to ensure higher efficiency with air conditioner. No popcorn on ceiling, gives this unit a more modern look. Barn door to master suite that has their bath as an open concept, 6-foot glass top vanity and sink, large walk-in shower with decorative tiling plus open walk-in closet. LED crystal chandeliers and LED lighting throughout. Condo features decorative doors to guest bedroom, bath and closet plus lever door handles. Beverage fridge will stay along with decorative wall mural plus lighted tree in corner of living area. Sellers will be leaving some furnishings for their convenience. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Morrow at 772-979-1426.